Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So kindly go through it and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is class 9 chapter 13. So there are two poems in this chapter. So let's start with the first one. नए इलाके में, इलाका मीन्स एरिया और लोकेलिटी. सो इन ए न्यू एरिया और लोकेलिटी, इन नए बसते इलाकों में जहाँ रोज बन रहे हैं नए नए मकान, मैं अक्सर रास्ता भूल जाता हूँ. सो इन नए नए बसते इलाकों में, सो द राइटर इज सेइंग दैट nowadays new building is being constructed daily we can see a new construction of house or apartment is started. मैं अक्सर रास्ता भूल जाता हूँ. दैट्स वाई ही ऑलवेज फॉरगेट्स द वे, एज इट इज वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. द वेज आर ऑलवेज चेंजिंग. धोखा दे जाते हैं पुराने निशान. धोखा मीन्स चीट. सो द ओल्ड साइंस आर ऑलवेज चीटिंग हिम बिकॉज दे आर नो लॉन्गर देयर. खोजता हूँ ताकता पीपल का पेड़. So because earlier how he used to go to his house, the way is different now because new things are being added up or old things are being demolished. So the signs what he kept in mind is no more there. खोजता हूँ ताकता पीपल का पेड़. So what he is searching? He is searching the old banyan tree which he has kept obviously as a landmark. That पीपल का पेड़, that banyan tree is no more there. खोजता हूँ डहा. डहा means collapsed. हुआ घर. He is searching for that collapsed house. That is also not there. खोजता means searching. और जमीन का खाली टुकड़ा जहां से बाएं मुड़ना था मुझे. जमीन means land. खाली empty. टुकड़ा piece. बाएं means left. So he is also searching that empty piece of land from where he had to take a left. मुड़ना था means he has to turn. फिर 2 मकान बाद बिना रंग वाले लोहे के फाटक का घर था. 1 मंजिला. फाटक मीन्स गेट. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हेन वंस ही टर्न टू लेफ्ट, आफ्टर दैट 2 houses he has to cross and then he would find an old house which would have an iron gate which was not painted at all. बिना रंग वाले means it was not painted. लोहा आयरन, फाटक गेट. घर था 1 मंजिला. सो द हाउस वाज सिंगल स्टोरी बिल्डिंग. और मैं हर बार एक घर पीछे चल देता हूँ या 2 घर आगे टकमकाता. So what happens now? He doesn't know the way around. So what is happening? So many changes have come. So either he would search his house, 1 house before the exact location or 2 houses after the exact location. So he is always getting confused. यहाँ रोज कुछ बन रहा है, रोज कुछ घट रहा है. Here daily something is getting built and something is getting demolished. घट रहा है means it's getting reduced or demolished. यहाँ स्मृति का भरोसा नहीं. स्मृति means memory. Here our memory cannot be trusted as daily changes are being made. एक ही दिन में पुरानी पड़ जाती है दुनिया. In just one day the world becomes old. The world which we knew becomes old because it keep on changing. It is no longer the same. He remembers. जैसे वसंत का गया पतझड़ का लौटा हूँ. It feels as if the writer left in the spring season and came back in autumn. Patjad means autumn, Vasant is spring season. As flowers and trees blossom in spring and all it gets shed in autumn season. So it is totally different. He feels like it. He left in spring because spring how he left the field when all the flowers leaves were there, and when he came back it is totally different. All the leaves, everything is being shed. So he is feeling as if he left in spring season and came back in autumn. जैसे बैसाख का गया बादों को लौटा हूँ. बैसाख एंड बादो इज मंथ्स of Punjab calendar or Punjab calendar. So what he is feeling, he is feeling as if he left in the Baisakh, that is around April month, and he came back in Bhado. Bhado is around September. अब यही है उपाय कि हर दरवाजा, दरवाजा इज डोर, खटखटाओ, खटखटाओ मीन्स नॉक. सो नाउ देर इज ओनली वन वे लेफ्ट फॉर हिम. व्हाट इज द वे? हर दरवाजा खटखटाओ और पूछो क्या यही है वो घर. सो देर इज ओनली वन वे लेफ्ट. He has to knock doors of all the houses and ask them, is this the house what I'm looking for? Is this my home? समय बहुत कम है तुम्हारे पास. So now I don't have much time left in my hand. Why? आ चला पानी डहा, आ रहा आकाश. आकाश is sky. Daha we already discussed, collapsed. So what he's saying, it looks like it is going to rain now. So I don't have much time to find my house. Before that I have to find. शायद पुकार ले कोई पहचाना ऊपर से देखकर. Now the writer is saying maybe someone will recognize me and call me from up. That is the only chance left for me to find my home. So that's it, the first poem. Let's go to the second part. खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ. Khushbu means fragrance. The hand that makes fragrance. Rachte means makes. So here the poet is telling about the agarbatti, the incense stick which we will use for puja and all. No, he is talking about the agarbatti. The agarbatti which spreads fragrance is really made in an area where there is little or no fragrance at all. Actually, it stinks of garbage. So the writer is explaining in this chapter who makes them and where. कई गलियों के बीच, गलियां मीन स्ट्रीट्स, इन बिटवीन मैनी स्ट्रीट्स, कई नालों के पार, नालो मीन्स सीवर, सीवर like the path where the drainage flows, no, nala, that. So in between many drainage path, कूड़े करकट के ढेरों के बाद, so after the heaps of garbage dump, बदबू से फटते जाते इस टोले के अंदर, बदबू इज बैड स्मेल. सो द प्लेस वेयर इट स्टिंग्स और द एरिया विच स्मेल्स रियली रियली बैड. टोले के अंदर, टोले इज हट्स, सो इनसाइड द हट्स, खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ. सो फ्रेगनेंस इज मेड बाय दिस हैंड्स. खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ, द फ्रेगनेंस इज मेड बाय द हैंड्स. So where this is made, in between the garbage dump, in between the area where it is very very smelly or it stinks very bad, and inside the huts, what is made? The fragrance agarbattis, incense sticks are made. Now he told us the place where agarbatti is made. Now he is going to tell us about the people's hand who make this. उभरी नसों वाले हाथ. उभरी मीन्स bulging, नसें means veins. So some are having hands with bulging veins. घिसे नाखूनों वाले हाथ. Some are having hands with worn out nails. घिसे means worn out because they are continuously doing same thing. Their nails and their flesh veins have come out, their nails have worn out, like that. पीपल के पत्ते से नए नए हाथ. But some are fresh new hands because kids are also forced to do such works in order to survive, and even the young people will also come and join for the first time. So their hands are described as fresh hands, like people ke patte, banyan tree leaves. They are so fresh, like fresh and soft like banyan tree leaves. जूही की डाल से खुशबूदार हाथ. खुशबूदार means very fragrant. The hands that smell like jasmine flower. Juhi means jasmine flower. Gande kate pite hath. Dirty hands that have cuts here and there. Those hands are also doing this agarbattis. Zakham is wound. Zakham se fate hue hath. The hands that are having very deep wounds on them, they are also doing this work. खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ, खुशबू रचते हैं hand. हाथ. So all these hands are making fragrance. Hands are making fragrance. यही इस गली में बनती है मुल्क की मशहूर अगरबत्तियां. Mashhur means famous. So here only the world famous agarbattis are made in these dirty streets. इन्हीं गंदे मोहल्लों के गंदे लोग, गंदे means dirty, these dirty people of this dirty locality बनाते हैं केवड़ा, गुलाब, खस और रातरानी अगरबत्तियां. So what he is saying, these dirty people of these dirty locality only make what all the agarbattis that are of different scents. One is kevda, that is kevra flower, gulab, rose, khas, that is poppy flower, and ratrani, that is night blooming jasmine. All these different scents are made by these dirty hands only. दुनिया की सारी गंदगी के बीच दुनिया की सारी खुशबू रचते रहते हैं हाथ. So by living in the middle of all the garbage of world in their hand, what they do in this locality only, in this dirty locality only, they make fragrance for the whole world. खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ, खुशबू रचते हैं हाथ. So they live in a very bad smell area, but what they create fragrance for the rest of the world so that their homes can smell nice. Wherever their house is very stinky. So that's it. I hope you understood the poem. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.